Hello friends, I am Prashant Kumar. Welcome to the today's The Hindu vocabulary session. Friends, before starting the session, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant and press bell button so that you continue to get further videos notifications. So friends, let's start the today's session. Today's first word is macabre. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is disturbing because concerned with or causing a fear of death. Its synonyms are gruesome, grimly, horrid, and terrifying. Its example is over 100 people were reportedly killed in his macabre death of dance. Second word is flimsy. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is weak and unconvincing. Its synonyms are unsubstantial, unsatisfactory, trifling, shallow, and implausible. Its example is the evidence against him is pretty flimsy. Next word is coterminous. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is having the same boundaries or extent in space, time, or meaning. Its synonyms are coinciding, coextensive, and concurrent. Its example is this influence is not coterminous with national territorial boundaries. Fourth word is perplex. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is make someone feel completely baffled. Its synonyms are puzzle, mystify, bemuse, and confuse. Its example is he was perplexed by her question and it more than a little baffled him. Next word is weird. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is suddenly change an opinion, subject, type of behavior, etc. Its synonyms are deviate, swerve, and deflect. Its example is the conversation eventually veered away from theatrical things. Next word is farce. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a situation or an event that is so unfair or badly organized that it becomes silly. Its synonyms are absurdity, shame, charade, and mockery. Its example is the trial was a complete farce. Next word is straitjacket. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is used in reference to something that restricts freedom of action, development, or expression. Its synonyms are restriction, restraint, and constraint. Its example is the government is operating in an economic straitjacket. Next word is flagrant. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is of an action considered wrong or immoral, conspicuously or obviously offensive. Its synonyms are outrageous, obvious, evident, and conspicuous. Its usage is he is someone that shows flagrant disregard for the orders. Next word is splinter. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is to divide into smaller groups that are no longer connected to separate from a larger group. Its synonyms are shatter, smash, split, and disintegrate. Its example is several firms have splintered off from the original company. Next word is fiefdom. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a territory or sphere of operation controlled by a particular person or group. Its synonyms are demands, province, and kingdom. Its usage is they only wanted to continue to operate their little fiefdom as far from public scrutiny as possible. Eleventh word is wanton. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is causing harm or damage deliberately and for no acceptable reason. Its synonyms are malicious, malevolent, wicked, and cruel. Its usage is it's all about growth and building something successful instead of wanton violence and destruction. Today's last word is facade. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a deceptive outward appearance. Its synonyms are veneer, false display, mask, and affectation. Its example is her flawless public facade masked private despair. So friends, this was today's The Hindu vocabulary session, which can prove to be important for any of your competitive exams. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant, like it and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next session. Jai Hind.